Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word 2025. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. So let's dive in. Now first of all, open File Explorer on your PC. Now go on this PC and click on Local Disk C. Okay. Now click on Program Files and here search for Microsoft Office. You can see here's Microsoft Office. Click on it. Now go to Office 16. Click on it. Now here, the file ospprearm.exe. As you can see, it is right over here. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Allow it, and the problem will be solved after this. So that's it for the video. That's how you can unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.